This is the HR diagram, Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. In this diagram, this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. In the x-axis, we have drawn surface temperature of the stars. That is, temperature varies from 30,000 or here somewhat 40,000 Kelvin up to 3,000 Kelvin. Usually, the temperature of stars, surface temperature of stars varies from the non-stars. The stars whose temperature are known to us varies from 40,000 Kelvin to 3,000 Kelvin. This is the hottest stars. This is the coolest stars. And the hottest stars belongs to blue colored category, and the coolest stars belong to red category. The color varies, the star surface temperature varies with the color, therefore the color of stars varies from blue to blue, then white, then somewhat yellow, then orange, then finally red. And the sun, as you know, belongs to a yellow colored star, yellow or orange colored star. Its temperature is almost here. Its position is almost here. Its temperature is almost 5,500 Kelvin. And brightness or magnitude, absolute magnitude or luminosity is drawn along the y-axis, and luminosity is taken from 10 raised to minus 5 to 10 raised to 6 in some solar units. And here on this figure, on the HR diagram, we can see at the center there is a band. Here a band with the stars that starts from the top left corner and ends at the bottom right corner. A long band. This is called main sequence stars. Sun and all ordinary stars are situated in this band, this main sequence. It's called main sequence. Sun's position here is Sirius, Vega, and Sun is almost somewhat here. Here Sun. Sun is here, and Sirius is a very near star to Sun. It is here, and Vega is another star. All these stars that are known to us, very particularly known to us, they are situated in the main sequence stars, main sequence group. And here there is a cylindrical shaped group of stars. It is called white dwarfs. They are dwarfs. Here main sequence stars also are dwarfs. These are called white dwarfs. White dwarfs are certain form of stars which are not living stars, they are dead stars. Sun, after its lifespan, it become a white dwarf. Therefore, they are not as bright as the main sequence stars. They are less brighter, and they belong to a group. They are very heavy, very denser stars, small in size, very high density and lesser brightness. The examples are here Sirius B. There are two Sirius stars, Sirius A and Sirius B. Sirius A is a bright star, Sirius B is a white dwarf. Procyon B, it's another star. Procyon A is here in the main sequence, and Procyon B is a white dwarf. And another group of stars situated at the top right corner, it is called, here they are giants. Near to this main sequence, they are giant stars, red and yellowish colored giant stars, and here there are super giant stars. Super giant stars are, as we know, the temperature is very small, surface temperature is small, giants and super giants, but brightness or luminosity is very large. And there are so many space in between these stars and star groups. Here are a lot of space or dark space in between the stars, in between the main sequence and white dwarf and giants. And this is the usual representation of stars in HR diagram. By using this diagram, we can classify different stars and we can find out magnitudes and surface temperature of various stars. And another diagram I will show you. This is HR diagram drawn in another manner. This is temperature along x-axis and luminosity along y-axis, and temperature varies from 40,000 to almost. In the previous diagram we have shown here 3000, here 2500. And this is the band of stars called main sequence stars. And in the main sequence here, blue colored stars are here, white colored stars are here, yellow colored stars here, orange colored, and finally red colored. And here white dwarfs and red giants, red supergiants, and here there are blue giants also shown here. The previous diagram also there are blue giants, and these are the main constituents of the universe. We can see at a glance. And luminosity varies from 10 raised to minus 4 units to 10 raised to plus 4 units. And the position of sun is somewhat here. Sun is said to be orange colored or yellow colored star, not white. Some yellowish white colored stars, yellowish or orange, in between orange, yellow and white. Sun's color is here in the main sequence. That's all for today. I'm stopping here. In next class we have to study about the birth of universe, birth of stars, evolution of stars, etc. Okay, I will give one question for attendance. You have to do the question, answer the question before 6 p.m. today. And thank you all. We can meet in the next class.